Hello guys, how to easily convert LE3 web PMB images to JPG or PNG. If you are even occasional user of OpenAI DAL 3, you have probably noticed a big change. I am not talking about a updated models or flashy new features. No, I am looking about three switches to providing web files instead of PNG or JPEG when you download your creation. So if you are like me, frustrated that Dell 3 no longer provide those file types, I have got you covered because it's incredibly simple to convert WebP to PNG or JPEG. Why Dell 3 is no longer providing PNGs or JPEGs, while web P files are actually reasonably useful in certain circumstances. They are not as widely used as PNG or JPG. Most folks have a specific use in mind when downloading files from Dial, and PNG or JPG it fit the bill. But if you are wondering why OpenAI suddenly stopped providing these image formats in favor of web page, there is not some secretive web page consortium pushing us towards a new image format. It's much simpler explanations than that. Something broke and it has not been fixed. At least that according to the moderators on the OpenAI Discord, as per a recent Reddit thread. Of course, that does not help you if you want to download Dell 3 in PNG or JPG. Hopefully, this backend Dell 3 issues will be resolved before long, but until then, you need a Web Pro to PNG to JPG converter. You should also check out how to view web file in Windows if you are struggling to view your file. How to convert Dell web page files to PNG or JPG. One of the easiest ways to convert your Dell 3 web files to PNG or JPG is using the free online file converter Cloud Convert. It's fast, free, and offers both files types among other. Press select files, browse to the location of your web file and select it. Select PNG or JPG from the drop down menu featuring image formats. Now press the spanners icons to adjust the setting. You can mostly leave this alone, but suggest increasing the image compressions quality to 100 to maintain your image. Once the conversions and you to download the newly minted PNG or JPEG file. Now if you are converting more sensitive files, you might want to choose an alternative file conversions option. We have previously looked at how to convert web page to PNG, JPEG and other.